Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you been experiencing frequent crashes while playing Roblox lately? In this video, I will list each common reason why this often happens, along with the corresponding solution to prevent Roblox from crashing again. Let's go! If you have been using Roblox for a while without any problems and it suddenly crashes mid-game, it's most likely just a minor or temporary glitch that can be easily fixed by restarting your computer. Be sure to close all other open programs and then restart your PC. After the reboot, open Roblox again and see if it works properly now. Generally, Roblox has a dedicated server to each game to avoid overloading, but sometimes it's unavoidable that servers become overloaded, especially if they're experiencing heavy traffic due to simultaneous access from multiple users. Another reason for frequent crashes may be ongoing maintenance. Either way, you can check the Roblox server status at status.roblox.com. Browse the monitoring page to see if there are any active issues. In order for Roblox to run efficiently, there are some minimum system requirements that your computer must meet. To quickly check for compatibility with your computer, you can run the Windows built-in troubleshooter. Use the taskbar search and look for Roblox Player. Right-click on the program and select Open File Location. Again, right-click on the executable file and go to Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and click Run Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts and read through the Windows diagnostics and solutions. Another factor that can cause Roblox to crash frequently is corrupted game files. Game files can be corrupted by malware, third-party modifications, file system errors, and more. To fix this, you will need to reinstall Roblox to remove any outdated or corrupted files. First, open the control panel and click Uninstall a program. Right-click on Roblox Player in the list and select Uninstall to proceed. Once removed, open your browser and download the installer from the official Roblox.com site. Select any game and click the play button to get the Download Roblox prompt. After downloading, click the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. Unfortunately, if you have tried all possible solutions and Roblox is still crashing, your last option is to contact Roblox support so that they can better assist you with the issue. Report the problem at roblox.com/support and sign in with your account. Provide all necessary information, such as a detailed explanation of the problem, including the specific device you used. After submission, check your contact information regularly for a response from the team. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.